Want to know exactly where your money is going? Checking your YouTube TV bill is quick, but in 2026, the menus look a little different depending on if you are on a phone or a computer. Now, let's go ahead and find those receipts together. If you are on a web browser, head to tv.youtube.com. Click your profile icon in the top right and select Settings. From there, click Billing on the left-hand sidebar. Here you will see your current payment method, your next billing date, and a full list of your past receipts. On the mobile app, tap your profile photo, then hit Settings and Billing. You can tap on any individual charge to see the itemized breakdown. This is perfect for seeing exactly how much those add-ons like 4K Plus or NFL Sunday Ticket are costing you. One important note for 2026. If you signed up through a third party like T-Mobile, Frontier or Apple, you won't see your full bill here. You'll need to check your statement on their specific app or website instead. Let's walk through the upcoming charges screen so you can see exactly what your next bill will look like before it hits your bank account. Subscribe for more 2026 streaming tips.